Welcome to the admin team of Tripling family. Now let's have a hear from our HOs.
Absolutely. Welcome to Tripling once again, and we are extremely lucky to have you wonderful people all around who have been associated with Tripling for the last 5 years. And with all your support and effort, we are finally appearing 6th time on our 6th birthday at this office, brand new office. For all your effort and endless support, we have finally achieved this power and heights which makes the Tripling wonderful and regain our position in this way. So what I want that with what I believe with great power comes great responsibility, and we are always responsible for all your hurdles, failure and success too. Please feel comfortable to reach us at Tripling anytime from anywhere.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree with you. It's a journey of last 5 years. The story of Tripling is like a fantasy world to me, because it started with just 2 laptops, 2 college-going students with enormous amount of dreams, but don't know how to execute. Today we have such a big family who are taking initiative. For the last few days we have seen many have shown their achievement across our social media pages. In the time of Amphan, in the time of COVID situation, they have fought and we have made remarkable result across the world. I really want to congratulate all my team members for being so special to us. And at this point of time, I don't want to waste much time, but I just want to add a simple thing that I have learned from this entire journey of 5 years is that complexity gets simplified when we start from niche. So everything that is coming as a complex to you, always try to find out its niche so that the complexity gets simplified.
Absolutely, I agree with him. And firstly, a big thank you to the entire Tripling family for being with us, for giving us the respect and for giving us the confidence that yes, we can. And firstly, I just want to say that Tripling is my another home, and as you all know that home is a first priority. To me, Tripling is a first priority, and I'm always there to support all the team members, and definitely I need all of your support. We have received a lot of appreciation through your videos and wishes, and we are very thankful. And not only that, to each and every member of Tripling who are constantly performing, who are constantly supporting in the crisis, we thank you from the bottom of our heart. And I believe in something personally. I would like to say, conquer knowledge as your first love, and destiny will gift you the best garden. So I just want, let's follow this, and I know we will reach to the topmost pinnacle of our journey. And I would like to thank each of my admin team members for being there. I have learned a lot from each and every member of Tripling, and I just want to be in this journey throughout. And so, yeah, please.
Thank you, Poshali, and all my team members. First of all, hi everyone. I congratulate to all team members who are associated with the team Tripling in the last 5 years. Now currently we are in opening a physical form of work which you can do in our place, and it will help you to gain more knowledge and more expertise or more skills in the physical form. So I thank you for all your support and encouragement and knowledge who share with us. So thank you once again.
On top of this, I want to add one line. এবার অফিস যাব, স্বপ্নগুলোকে আরো বড় করে দেখব।